In this video, we will show you how to import your customer data. In the Recipients menu, first create a new recipient list and assign a name for it. Now you can start the import process. You can insert recipient data manually into your list, or upload an entire recipient list as a text, CSV, or Excel file. When importing with Excel, make sure that there is no formatting or a separate spreadsheet in the file. To do this, simply select an import file from your computer. After the upload, create data fields in which the information from your imported list will be inserted. The text field type is used, for example, for the first names, which consist only of letters. Field type, gender, is needed for the salutation field. Field type, date, is used for the birth date field. In this Excel list are 15 email addresses, each with a salutation, the first and last names of the recipients, their birth dates, as well as their cities and interests. The new data fields are assigned to the corresponding columns of the import file. Further down, you now only define how the list should be imported. There are 5 import functions. There is also a description of each function. As an example, we choose Add because here we import only new customers. By clicking the Next button, the import of the 15 addresses is already done. After the import, you will get an import report with which you can check and understand the import process. Afterwards, you can adjust the layout in your recipient list. Under Change Table View, you set which fields should be shown. This way, you have all customer data at a glance. You can find more information about the import of customer data in our Help Center.